Hello everyone, and thank you for coming this session. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the future of e-commerce with Magento Open Source. There are so many different solutions on the market that it's so hard to understand what is the best fit for your business. So let's dive deeper into this topic. My name is Haivaronski and I'm a product manager at Amasty. I'm in charge of our product catalog and lead the process of adapting our extensions for Hua theme and Hua checkout. Amasty is a key player in the e-commerce ecosystem and the leading Magento and Adobe Commerce solution provider. With over 15 years of experience, we've developed over 300 extensions for Magento and Adobe Commerce, addressing almost every business need you can imagine. Beyond Magento, we also create solutions for platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and Equid, expanding their richness and adaptability across e-commerce landscape. With a global partner network and customer base of over 20,000 businesses worldwide, some of them you can see here on this slide, Amasty is truly at the forefront of driving innovation and delivering value to companies. So, with our years of experience and expertise, let's explore what is the best platform for B2B and B2B business. This is tough questions to answer right away, because there are dozens of choices and multiple market leaders. And for every company, the answer would be unique, depending on their individual business needs and preferences. But since we are at the conference about Magento, I picked out the main competitors of the Magento who focused on large and medium-sized businesses, as well as those who are listed on stock exchange. So, what is the competitive canvas? I picked the companies shown in this slide so we can take a closer look at them. Adobe Commerce is known for its robust customization options and scalability. Shopify stands out for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with third-party apps. BigCommerce is popular for its headless approach and built-in features. And of course, there is the Magento. When it comes to Magento, it's a very powerful platform that serves as a foundation of Adobe Commerce, but doesn't have as many standout features on its own. As you can see, all these platforms has its own strengths, but there should be some kind of criteria how to assess it. I've chosen 4 key criteria that our customers often ask about. First, you need to understand the total cost of ownership. Second, how platforms' features and flexibility helps grow your business. Next, there is a performance. And the last, how platforms help stay compliant with regulations. These are pretty simple. The hard part is answering this without bias, so I decided to use Perplexity AI to help things as objective as possible. I created the list of the main business features for comparison and asked Perplexity to verify whether the platform includes them. Typically, all the functionality comes with the platform out of the box. The real difference comes down to the flexibility and scalability of the features and how they are advanced for your business need. Take layered navigation, for example. It could be a basic version, or it could include advanced filtering capabilities, SEO support, and brand management functionality. This is where the platform differs. So, when you choose a platform, you should think how scalable you need these features to be and how flexible you want their management and configuration. Luckily, with Amasty extensions, we have everything your business needs. Together, they provide plenty of functionality, often even more advanced and extensive at lower cost, making them a strong competitor in this comparison. Next, there is a performance. All these platforms can deliver excellent performance, but the methods achieved vary. By default, performance isn't always ideal, but there are many recommendations and approaches how to enhance it. For example, Magento Open Source, when using default Luma theme, doesn't provide the best performance. However, switching to an alternative theme can significantly enhance it. Features like global content delivery can also contribute to better performance. Since Magento Open Source is a self-hosted solution, you should choose your own hosting provider that can impact performance as well. As for mobile optimization, I guess that all modern themes are already optimized out of the box. While default Luma theme has its limitation, there is a great alternative, Hue theme. By using Magento Open Source enhanced with Hue theme powered by Amasty extensions, you can achieve excellent performance right from the start. This setup helps you build fast, reliable, and flexible solution without worrying about performance, even when you customize it. Next, there is a compliance. In June 2025, new standards of digital accessibility will take effect, transforming the life of over 87 million people with disabilities from the European Union. Accessibility isn't just about ticking a legal box. It's also a right business move. However, there have already been many cases when websites didn't meet accessibility standards and faced significant fines. For example, in 2019, Dominos was sued for its inaccessible websites, resulting in significant fines and redesign. Accessibility isn't just about legal compliance. It's a great opportunity to expand your audience, improve usability, and show your brand's commitment to creating universal, accessible online experience. Accessibility isn't something that you can achieve by doing nothing. It's not only about the functionality, but also about your content. It should be easily perceivable with clear structure and highlights so users can navigate without needing a mouse. In summary, accessibility is a main criteria for e-commerce development, driving both compliance and user satisfaction. What about cost of ownership? I think that cost of ownership comes down to a few main factors. First is licensing. It's not a secret that platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and Adobe Commerce comes with a significant license fee that increases as your order volume grows. With Magento Open Source, you can scale your business without those extra costs. For example, Amasty extensions enhanced with Hue theme and Magento Open Source will cost you 2 to 3 times less, but provide the same functionality as competitors. What about hosting? It's quite affordable right now. Most hosting providers offer scalable infrastructure, but there are many affordable solutions on demand that provide you a lot of different variants and save your money. And next, there is the development costs. It's not a secret that Magento Open Source can be more complex to work with, and that's the challenge. It requires more development effort compared to other platforms. So, what are the results? All these platforms has its own competitive advantages. Platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce offer ease of use and quick setup, making them ideal for companies thinking fast implementation. Adobe Commerce provides scalable and cost-effective solution make it ideal for larger enterprise. But in the long run, Magento Open Source can be more cost-effective and flexible solutions that you can that grow your business with that can help grow your business. So that can help grow your business as long as you know how to handle technical complexity. So how to handle technical complexity? What's the solution? The answer is simple: partnership. In this hall, there are many professionals and company representatives who work with Magento Open Source, Hua theme, and Amasty extensions, and who knows how to tackle technical complexity and deliver end-to-end solutions to customers on time. This setup helps you build fast, reliable, and flexible solution without worrying about performance, even when you customize it. Moreover, Magento Open Source allows you to maintain full control over your costs and data and ensuring outstanding shopping experience. Let me show you a few examples. There is a web store developed by every agency using Hua theme and over 10 Amasty extensions. These extensions enhance key functionalities such as search, navigation, shipping, request a quote, and more. Moreover, DexDirect provides web accessibility for disabled people, making their website inclusive for everyone. The results of such collaboration are exceptional. Performance optimized and smoother shopping experience, as well as scalable and cost-effective solution for long-term business growth. Next example, there is a web store developed by Transform Agency. In this project, Amasty enhance vital areas such as checkout, navigation, blog, returns, and more. The results is fast and user-friendly web store, as well as 30% boost in conversion rate and stable, scalable solution that's ready to grow with your business. So, what's the formula of the competitive advantage? It starts from understanding what you offer your clients and defining a clear business roadmap. From there, you can assess it using tools like Perplexity or your own evaluation criteria. But for us, the answer is simple. Magento Open Source, enhanced with Hua theme, powered by Amasty extensions, and supported by trusted partner. This collaboration provides exceptional experience, performance, user-friendly interface, and reliability to drive your e-commerce success. Thank you very much for your attention. It was a great pleasure to sharing my thoughts with you. I'll be there if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to come over. I'll be happy to discuss them. Thank you very much.